Welcome back to Safeclean-Walkingtv, guys. Today we're going to clean a floor mat out of your car, and it's just these simple steps, guys, you're gonna have to follow. So first of all guys, we're gonna just hoover it and get as much debris off of the carpet as possible. Okay guys, so just to separate the two sides, I'm going to just tape straight down the middle, just like that, guys, straight down the middle, straight down the middle, guys. This is just to separate the two sides so we can see what we've done. Next, guys, we're going to use a fab clean. It's basically a cleaner for carpets. It's not upholstery, guys, and it's quick drying as well. So I've already mixed up a solution according to the directions on the bottle, guys, and I've mixed it up into a bottle. Okay, so first of all, after putting on tape, we're going to spray one side, just one side of the carpet, guys. Okay, just like that, all over the carpet. All over the dirty side. And we're going to leave that for a few minutes, just to work its way in, guys. Okay, so while we're waiting, guys, you're going to need a drill. Either drill, it can be an electric one or a battery operated one. Okay? You're also going to need brush attachment. Okay, so what we're doing now, guys, attach, and we use the drill and we work it into the carpet, guys. Simple. Okay guys, you need a towel just to wipe off the excess, like that. Okay, so depending on how dirty your actual carpet is, guys, you may repeat this process twice. I would say if you're going to repeat it you give it 20 minutes and then repeat it again. Don't repeat it straight after. So you can actually see the process, guys. So this is just after one This is just after one attempt, guys. Okay. I'm not actually repeating the process, guys. I'm just going over it again after wiping off the access. Okay. So again, get the towel and we just wipe it away. Okay, guys. So this is something you can do at home, guys. Here's the towel. It's white when I started. And there it is now, guys. So this is how to keep your floor mats clean. So I'll remove the tape and you can see the difference between this side and this side, which I haven't done. So let's have a look, guys. How does that look, guys? This is going to dry like that. And that is the side, as you can see. Please like, share and subscribe, guys. And most of all, comment. I'll leave what I've used in the description, guys. So thank you for watching Safeclean-Walkingtv. Thank you, guys.